An ambiguous grammar is the context free of a computer science and compiler design. Refers to a grammar that allows for the multiple interpretation or parse strings for the same input strings. This means there is more than one way to derive or parse the strings using the grammar rules. So a grammar is set of rules that defines the strings or structures of a language. In programming language, a grammar are used to determine if a piece of code is syntactically correct. A grammar is ambiguous if it is possible to create more than one parse tree for the same input string. A parse tree shows how the grammar rules are applied to generate the strings. Consider the simple arithmetic expression of the grammar. The grammar generates the strings. It has the possible of parse trees. So, a compiler need to be able to parse code unambiguously. Multiple parse trees can lead to confusion and errors during compilation. In compiler chooses a different parse tree than the programmer intended. The program might behave unpredictably or have runtime error. Dealing with unambiguity can make the compiler more complex design and maintain. So specifically, which operator should be performed first and how to group operations of the same precedence. So first operator perform is precedence and other performance as associative. So the consider a arithmetic expression of the grammar. The grammar can generate the string of the possible trees of left associative parse tree and right associative parse tree. So it reads which as the root becomes a child of one of the operands of another one. This means addition happens first. Right associative parse tree treats as the root, meaning multiplication happens first. This ambiguity is problematic because it means the grammar doesn't clearly when the order of operations precedence. The essence of ambiguous grammar of the problematic in a programming language can causes in the both left recursion and right recursion. This combination can lead to multiple way of deriving the same string, creating more than one parse tree. The grammar has both left recursion of the starting of protection rule and right recursion of the protection rule, making it ambiguous. So the ambiguous of the grammar, which is the context free grammar, it is said to be an ambiguous if there exists more than one leftmost derivation, that is called LMD, or more than one rightmost derivation of the one parse tree of a given input strings. So the ambiguous grammar allows multiple parse trees of the same string, while an unambiguous grammar has only one parse tree for each strings. The other Mentee students can derive the both example of one and each other. In essence of an ambiguous grammar leads to uncertainty about how to interpret a given input, whereas an unambiguous grammar provides a single clear interpretation. So the grammar context free, it is said to be an ambiguous. There exists of derivations. It's a common phenomena. The language might be used in the recursive approaches, so that ambiguous grammar are not suitable for compiler because they can't decide which meaning to use. So in compiler design, We try to remove ambiguity by rewriting the grammar for the example using operator precedence and associativity rules already we saw in the given examples. So now grammar is said to be an ambiguous if there is more than one way to derive the same string. In another word, you can get two or more different parse or derivations of a single string of a structure. This creates a problem, especially in the programming language. So summarization of this part, an ambiguous grammar means multiple parse for one strings. It causes confusions in interpretations, and we must remove ambiguity to design efficient parser.